So today we have an awesome collaboration with Women Who Collabs. This is the YouTubers Pick My Palette collaboration, which is hosted by Miss Mary, that I am actually paired up with this week, which is pretty cool. I'm excited. I love Mary. Mary has been one of my true blue supporters since like the first 500 subscribers I had. And so that's been like not even 3 months when I started my YouTube channel. And she's been with me ever since. So going on 2 years, maybe a little. She is very sweet and very humble and very just amazing. I've never seen her ever talk bad about anybody, ever do anything bad towards anybody. She is just very humble and just tries to do the damn thing like everybody else around here. And Mary messed me up. Big time. These are the colors that she picked for me. Mary, what the hell am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? But it's the Mandarin Cosmetics. This is an Earth Lazy palette, but I put them all in here. Not these shades right here. This is Gimme Glow. But all the other shades are Mandarin Cosmetics. Gorgeous. I haven't had a chance to play around with this brand yet. So I figured I would throw it up in a toss line because you have to... What you do for the collaboration, you hit up Mary and you tell you what I in, or what have you. You get paired up. Either Sunday or Monday, you get paired up with a partner. You and that partner, go in, DM each other. You pick out 2 palettes that you want them to choose from. With those 2 palettes, you take pictures of those palettes. You send it to your partner. Your partner then picks a palette in 5 colors. I gave her the option of this one or the Michaela Part 2. I was kind of hoping she would pick Michaela Part 2, which I haven't dabbed into this brand either, so like I'm excited for it, so it is what it is. But out of all the dang mats that I have, she picked the 2 that I would never have touched without like pairing with something else. She picked this bright orange and this bright red. I have nothing to deep that up with. And then she gave me three shimmers. This one, this one, and this one. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing with this look. We're just going to freaking wing it and hope it comes together. And I might have to like, I don't know. We'll see. We see how this goes. Because I don't think it's going to end good. So I'm going in with my NARS pot concealer and just taking my ring finger and dabbing it on to my lid like so. I did get some new products in this week to try out for y'all. I've been going in little by little and grabbing a couple things off of Amazon and indie brands and all that good stuff. Y'all know I like to try it. Need the love and support just like us small creators, and I think it kind of goes hand in hand. You as a small creator should support small brands and vice versa, which for the most part I've had nothing but success with the majority of small brands, and the support right back. Now there are some that get a little big-headed, but it is what it is. And mind you, when I say that, it ain't because I've ever asked for PR or asked for free shit. I don't do that. That's just not my rodeo. I usually go in, and if I ask for anything, it's after I have purchased product for them, and I will ask them for a discount code so I can give to y'all. And then yeah, that's where some of the shadiness comes in. I literally had one brand, and I'm not going to say who it was, but I had one brand tell me that they only give discount codes to influencers. Well, what the hell am I? I might be a micro influencer, but I am still an influencer. So that was just kind of like a little smack in my face, needless to say. And I literally reached out and I was like, hey, I purchased a couple products from you. I was getting ready to do a video. Was wondering if there was any way that I could get a discount code, or you have a discount code that I could use for my subscribers, because you are more tendency to buy from a brand that you don't know of if you can save some money. It's common sense. Why are you going to splurge on a brand that you have no idea if you're going to like or not? And that's just how my thoughts go. So that's how I figure everybody else's thoughts go, because it's common sense. So I'm gonna go in with that red first, I guess. And like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. And I've swatched these probably 1,000 times because they're very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I've been very anxious to get into this palette and play around with things, but never this kind of look. So I'm hoping it comes out okay. We'll see. And I don't even know where to use all three of these shimmers at. I hope I'm able to use them. Because I know we're not supposed to substitute for any shades or leave out any shades. So I want to make sure that I use them all. I want to play by the rules. And I'm just kind of mapping out this look right now. This color. Just like so. Oh, that laid down so pretty. But anywho. But yeah, it was kind of a little smack on my face. I'm like, oh, well, we only give discount codes to any influencers. Okay, well, I have 3 platforms. I'm monetized on this platform. Like, I do get paid for my YouTube channel. Maybe not a lot, but I still get paid. Like, I am monetized over here. It is a career. This is my full-time job right now. This is being a stay-at-home mom. And then I have over 2,500 followers on Instagram. I have over 7,600 on TikTok and 1,500 here. So, like, maybe a micro influencer, but dang on it, I'm still an influencer. So it was a smack in my face. I still support the brand. I still buy from the brand. Like, I literally have all their palettes. And no, it's not unearthly or lethal. So don't assume, you know. Which, unearthly wasn't the nicest either about a discount code. It is what it is. Okay, these two are really pretty together. It just looks like a sunset moment. And that's probably about all I could do with that. Man, it's only 2 shades. And I'm just kind of blending them together to get that seamless blend. I just don't know how I'm going to cooperate all 3 of these shimmers. So let me do this purple one first. I was going to take off this look. I mean, I was going to go ahead and do it over here, but I want to see how this lays out first, because I might have to end up taking it off and redoing it. So I'm going to lay down that purple first. Oh, that's pretty. Then lay down some of that green. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that green. And this is without me cutting a crease or laying any base down for this shimmer. I'm just laying it straight on the eye. Because I really want to give y'all the raw, real picture of this brand. Now these shades average out from $6 all the way up to $20, just depending on what shade you get with this brand. All these shades were like $6 to $8. I don't buy really expensive shades unless I absolutely have to. And what I mean by that, I'll show y'all in a second. I have a lot. My cats get everywhere. Alright, so I'm packing that orange shade right there. And I'm going to take that orange shade and come back in here and put it in that inner corner too. That's okay. I don't say like that's like the shades itself are really, really pretty, but I'm just not liking this combo. But granted, Mary did try to hype me up. She was like, "Girl, you got this. If anybody can do it, you can do it." Like, thank you for the hype, but no. And then I got some down here. There's not time for that here. All right. So that's kind of like what we're working with. I don't like it. I don't hate it. But I want to try something different over here. Just for the tickles and giggles of it. Because I don't think I'm going to do a full face, full beat. I'm just going to leave it like this and just roll with it. And that way I can take it off and do another video. Alright, so let's try kind of like a halo eye over here. Like this shade is very, very, very pigmented, as y'all can see. And then going in with that orange. And I'm just kind of trying 2 different looks basically with the crazy shades that she gave me. Just to kind of prove a point that you can do anything with any colors. Alright, so that's kind of like what we're working with. I do want to fix that right there. Alright. Then I want to take that green. I want to put up my finger this time. And just kind of... Ooh, yeah. See, I like this one better than this. Now I'm going to take that orange and pop it right here as an inner quarter. And that purple, I guess, take it and deepen up out here. Yeah, here we go. And then I want to take a little bit of that pink, a little bit of that orange, and just kind of bring it up a little bit. Just because I got very creased eyes, and when I look straight, you won't be able to see the colors unless I bring it up. So which eye y'all like better? This one or this one? This one or this one? I definitely like this one a little bit better. I feel like Christmas. Like, I don't know, it's giving me Christmassy vibes right now. I guess it's red and like the pink, the green. This is the look. Anywho, make sure you go over and check out Mary and all the other amazing women in this collaboration. Again, I will have their link down below for the whole playlist. I will have Mary on top so you can check out what colors I picked out for her, what palette I chose for her. And y'all, stay tuned because I have a couple of brands to do a review on. I've got the Gimme Glow brand. I've got the Molly XOXO brand. I want to say there's more. There's more, but stay tuned. Make sure you go over and check out the ladies. Subscribe to their channels. They got some awesome content. They're very amazing. I really do enjoy working with this group. This is my 2nd week. And I can't wait to see who I paired up with next week. Even though Mary did me dirty this week, but it's okay. So, like I said, I'm not even going to finish my eyes because I do have another video to do. I've been slacking. Maybe a taxi to everybody. It gets me kind of up in a bind where I'm only able to film a couple of days out of the week. And so I'm having to, like, combine my videos. It sucks, but it is what it is. You do what you got to do to keep the content flowing, right? With that being said, I love y'all. And make sure you go check out the ladies. I will see y'all next week with another partner. Might be the same partner, might be a different partner. I don't know. I don't know how she chooses or whatever. But make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. Turn that bell on. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Or thumbs it down.